Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold with your Get Rich Education Money Minute. Real estate investors know that their monthly cash flow, their passive income, is simply rent income minus expenses. Now, it's pretty easy to remember your income because it's typically just that rent amount. There might also be some laundry room income in there as well, but it's on the expense side that you really need to keep in mind what all those expenses are when you're going ahead and evaluating a property and thinking about purchasing another income property. And VIMTUM, V-I-M-T-U-M, is an acronym that makes it easier for you to remember the common recurring monthly expenses after your mortgage payment. I think most of you remember your mortgage payment because it's your greatest payment each month. But VIMTUM stands for Vacancy, Insurance, Maintenance, Taxes, Utilities, and finally, Management. And if you're self-managing your property, you need to put a figure in there for that last M of management because your time is worth so much more than what you think. It's an irreplaceable, irreplenishable resource. That's why I'm a big advocate of outsourcing my property management to competent, communicative managers. If you remember VIMTUM, you're going to remember your common recurring monthly expenses.
71% of Americans aren't saving enough for retirement. It's going to get worse as people live longer, and you need to start thinking differently. But you can't lose your time. Real estate is the investment vehicle that's made more ordinary people wealthy than anything else. Keith Weinhold of Get Rich Education is host of one of America's top investing shows, Disrupting Wall Street. He's an international best-selling author, a writer for Rich Dad Advisors, and has been an active income property investor since 2002. He has created thousands in passive monthly income for countless followers, and now he has a free book, The 7 Principles for Creating Wealth in Your Life. Get your copy now at getricheducation.com/book. That's getricheducation.com/book. Because invest in what produces income for you now and later. Keith Weinhold is your guy. Sign up now at getricheducation.com/book.